Total Takeoffs is North America's most trusted estimating service, serving professionals and owner-builders across the US, Canada, and the Caribbean. We specialize in both residential and commercial projects across sectors like hospitality, retail, education, healthcare, manufacturing, and civil development. Our services include takeoffs, detailed material lists, quantity surveys, and cost reports to help projects run smoothly. We use industry-leading software, including PlanSwift, OnCenter, RS Means, and others to provide accurate estimates. Our clients include top names like Colby, 84 Lumber, James Hardie, and major builders such as D.R. Horton and Toll Brothers. We've prepared all types of estimates, from conceptual and design development to hard bid estimates. Whether it's a small job or a large-scale development, we have the resources and expertise to handle it. With a full-time staff of estimating professionals, we never outsource work. Total Takeoffs is the leading full-service estimating provider, with the most experience and the broadest project portfolio in the industry. Partner with us for the most detailed and accurate cost estimates on your next project. Need assistance? Contact us today or send an email. Se habla español.